Hey, I thought we'd take advantage of our weather today and do clouds. And we'll sit outside and see beautiful cloud formations. But I wanted to show you how to do it. Now, I'm going to do a couple of techniques. One is you can use this brush, or, excuse me, the raw sponge. You could also use the fan brush, okay? And what we're going to do is we're just going to put down some areas that just make it wet. Now, part of the issue is what you don't want to do is make everything wet. So you just gotta leave some open areas for the clouds. Okay. So when we dab this on, we have kind of a texture to it. I think I got a couple clouds going here. Okay. So again, the clouds are white. So the idea is that you don't want to you want to make sure that you're just doing the sky first. So that's the deal. You just make sure you're doing the sky first. And I'm going to start with a light blue in my palette. So this light blue here. Okay. And I'm going to just put this in a few places like this in the sky. And in my mind, what I'm trying to do, I add a little more water. Okay. What I'd like to in my mind is to get like start dark at the top and work down towards the bottom. See, I'm just putting this water in here like this. I don't care too much about the little. So this becomes the cloud is the white paper, okay? So once we put, let's see, a lot of this blue in here. Okay, then we can take it, move it around a little bit. Remember that technique we use for moving this up and down like this. See this? And then what I want to do is put a little bit up towards the top here of a little darker blue. There we go. That's kind of there. And the idea is that this blue will sort of find its way inside all these little crevices and sort of textures you've got here. So we can kind of move it like this just a little bit. Make sure it doesn't. There we go. And that is really all there is to it. And we can lean it down like this. A little bit of this comes through here. See that? So there's our clouds. And we can even throw in a little bit of a horizon line through here with the base of with that blue, which is no problem. We can put some trees in here and some things. Maybe put a little bit of warm, just a touch across the bottom. We'll come in later and actually put a horizon line in there, but just put a little bit of maybe just a little bit of a ground line in here someplace. Okay, so there we go. That's our clouds, and I'll show you coming later. So we got a little bit of that. Got that light blue, that dark blue here, and I'm gonna let this dry. I'll hit it with the blow dryer. We'll just do it real quick. There we go. Basically want to do this in one shot. Now, what happens at the top of the cloud, because the sun's coming down, is white. So this stays white, but the bottom is dark. If you look at the clouds, they actually have a dark underneath. That's the water. And so what we can do, we can take then, if not this brush here, maybe this little fan brush, And we're gonna make a little bit of some dark, maybe a little bit of black, maybe a little bit of purple. Let's see here, something kind of dark. Let's see, maybe, yeah, maybe more black. It has a lot of black in it, I think, the clouds. So I'm mixing it over here. There, that might work. Just a little bit. So the idea is that we're going to put a little bit of black, some color, like I can hear maybe like this. See, that's the bottom. That looks like it's a little bit, maybe it's a little too much. There we go. Let's see, that kind of works. So we'll just put a little bit of water into these clouds and just a little bit of that right here at the base. See that? So that goes to the bottom like that. And just a little bit down here. Just a little bit at the bottom like that. See that? Just a little bit of water in here. Sometimes without even having a lot of clouds, the top of it, you can just put that little dark part underneath there. There we go. I'm gonna just let that, let's see if we move around just a little bit. There we go. I think that'll work. There. That kind of makes some nice clouds. So this is what we're working on today. I just a little quick video, and then you can actually then go back in, and you have that landscape. Go with some very light colors, maybe a little bit of green. Let's see. Olive colors in here. And then you can come in with some of these washes here on trees. But I'm using quite a bit of water because I want it to really be like in the background, these trees. Okay. There we go. I think that'll be a good start for the day. Okay.